In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newspaper on Canva. We'll start on the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type newspaper or simply news and you'll see lots of free, customizable templates appear. Browse until you find a style that matches your topic, whether it's a school project, a community bulletin, or a mock front page. You'll also see themed options from partners like Newspaper Club, which can be a handy way to start with the right proportions and feel. Once your template opens, customize the text first. Click directly on any headline or article area to edit the wording, swap fonts, and adjust sizes. Use the spacing controls to fine-tune line and letter spacing so paragraphs are easy to read, and rely on the alignment tools to keep columns tidy. Aim for a clear hierarchy, bold, larger headlines, slightly smaller subheads, and simple, readable body copy. Sticking to one or two font families keeps it professional. Next, refresh the imagery. Replace any placeholder pictures by uploading your own photos or choosing from Canva stock library. Drag each image into its frame, then resize or reposition as needed. If you want a traditional newsprint look, try lowering saturation, dialing back contrast, or applying a subtle filter. Crisp, well-lit images reproduce best, even if you're going for a monochrome feel. Shape the layout to fit your story flow. Add pages as your content grows, and if you plan to print, keep your total page count in multiples of 4 or 8 so everything assembles neatly. From the Elements tab, bring in lines, shapes, or borders to separate sections, and adjust column layouts to maintain balance across the spread. Consistent margins and a bit of white space help the page breathe. If you're preparing for professional printing, consider starting with templates designed for specific sizes like tabloid or broadsheet. These often include margins and bleeds already set up, and partner resources can provide Canva templates tailored to those specs. Keeping text and key visuals inside the safe area helps prevent anything from getting cut off at the edge. When you're satisfied, it's time to export. For print, download as PDF print to get a high-quality file suitable for a press or a home printer. For digital sharing, download PNG or JPG for a compact, screen-friendly version. Save a copy of your design so you can update future issues quickly. Thanks for watching.